Greetings traders, I just made a nice little trade there, almost got 20 ticks out of it, and I didn't record it, so I'm back here to record again, and I'm going to take another trade. I just had taken a trade for the trade that I called out in advance in my charting service, and there's another trade that I'm going to take that's also was called out in advance in my charting service, and I'm going to take that one and make sure I get it on camera, on video. So I will be right back to take that trade. Okay, I've got a short position here. This is another trade called out in advance in my charting service about 9.5 hours ago. I called this trade out 9.5 hours ago in my charting service, just like I called the previous trade out that I just took. So both of them were called out in advance about 9.5 hours ago. By the way, I've got a 40 tick exit on this. Okay, I got that last entry wrong, and what it was is that I wasn't patient enough to wait for it to give me the full signal, and I jumped the gun a little bit, and I was pretty sure it was going to go down because it normally does. What it's going to do now is it's going to go up in a big way here. So instead of going for just a 40 tick exit, which is what I got it at, I'm going to place this up at I'm going to place it up at about 60 ticks here. I'll be right back. Okay, I've got it at 43.12 for 60 ticks up there. 43.12, 60 tick exit. Should be able to make it, because what's going to happen is normally it would just come down, and that's what I thought that the computer was going to say. So when it basically half said it, I said, oh, okay, I'll just jump in. Made a mistake right there. Should have been patient. Should have used the breakout technique that I teach. If I had used the breakout technique, I wouldn't have went short. I would have waited, and I would have saw that it was going to go long, which I just did. And I'm now long here. Should be able to make at least 40 ticks off of this, and I think I can probably make 60, so I've got it there. Anyway, I'll be back to show you the progression, or at least the outcome of this trade. And this trade was called out in advance before it would even happen. So for all of you charting members out there who are using the breakout technique, you should be long now. I'll be back. Okay, it's moving up pretty good here. Still got a little ways to go. Got to get to 43.12 to hit the 60 tick exit. But I think it's going to do it. I'll come back. Okay, the trade has made it to the exit of 60 ticks. That's just another example of the power of knowing how the computer works that's controlling all of the markets. I know it may be hard to believe, but a computer program is controlling all of the world markets. Some people call them Zionist. You can call them whatever you prefer, but they are the ones who have put all of the markets under the control of the computer program. I'm a scientist. I broke the code in 2006. I have broken many codes in this life. That's just one of them. And because a computer is controlling the market, I'm able to tell which direction it's going to go before it goes there, you know, like in this case, 9 hours in advance. So it's a very unique and very profitable knowledge, and you know, all you need to do is learn how it works, practice it, get good at it, and you yourself obviously can do it as well. It is by far the most powerful trading system in the world, hands down. Nothing else could even come close to it. I mean, when I say nothing else can come close to it, I mean nothing else could even remotely come close to it. Nothing. It's a mathematical impossibility. Anyway, I am all done for today, and I will be back tomorrow to do some more trading. since I know exactly what it is for this week here, and I'll be able to keep taking trades over and over again and get them right. It's very simple. It's very easy. It's not rocket science. So anyway, I hope all of you traders out there who have this system are doing well. We'll let the naysayers sit there and naysay all they want to. And for those of us who are doing this, we obviously know the truth. Anyway, I will be back tomorrow. I hope you're doing well out there. Happy trading, and I will see you tomorrow.